out to run errands. Actually, dito ako sa tapat ng Cebuana Luwilier ngayon. Kumuha ako ng payment and katabi lang yung LBC, pero offline yung kanilang Palawan Express, so I have to go somewhere else. I'm going to DHL because I'm going to claim a package. Ang gulo ng hair ko. A package that was sent to me. I hope walang customs na mabayaran, my gosh. Or kung meron man, sana hindi naman ganong mahal. Because customs is such a hassle. I've had an experience before na nakabayad ako ng 3,000 worth of customs, which I am so pissed about. As in, ikaw ba naman pabayarin ng 3,000 pesos? Tapos yung parcel mo is worth 7,000. So it's like almost half of it. And wala kang choice kasi 7,000 yung parcel ko. So kung hindi ko siya ika-claim, mas lugi ako. It's for business stuff. So yeah, it's so sad. But right now I'm going to DHL hoping walang customs. I must see kung may LBC sa tabi nun para makapag-claim din ako ng Palawan payment. And if I have time, dadaan akong Abriza just to get some food para sa bahay. I was supposed to go on grocery pero mukhang wala ng oras kasi kailangan kong umuwi by before 5 PM, around 4:30. And it's currently 4 PM. So I'm on a rush. I hope sa DHL mabilis lang at sana wala nang babayaran. My gosh. I believe kasi if you send via post office, dapat post office kasi pinapadala ng mga pag international, mas maganda kung post office. Kasi walang, may payment pero around 100 to 200 pesos lamang. But if it's via DHL or yung mga legit na mga courier, nah, you have to pay a great deal of amount. I hope wala naman. Still heading there. Di ko na nilagay sa carpad yung aking phone. Sorry. Medyo ganyan. Yeah. Kasi I was on a rush din. Kasi, you know. And nagmamadali din ako umalis ng bahay kasi nag-away kami ni Mama. I'm so pissed right now. But whatever. Family quarrels. Yeah. It's normal. Pero, I'm so pissed. Kainis. Sometimes kasi as children, no, minsan if we want to explain something to our parents, hindi sila nakikinig. Yung ganun, ayoko talaga, yan pinaka-ayoko, yung hindi sila nakikinig. Yung, as in, wala talagang naririnig. All they think about is what they think. Yun lang. Pero, hindi na ako magsasalita kasi magkakaroon pa ako ng more hate. Never mind. So, I'm heading to DHL na ngayon. Not sure. I also want to avail, kasi nabasa ko sa Facebook na merong promotion ng Starbucks ngayon during Cagayan Festival. It starts today from August 20 to 23 that you can get a venti frappuccino beverage for only 100 pesos. So yeah, I wanna get that too kung makakakuha ba ako. Pero feel ko mukhang pila yan. First day pa naman. Oh my god, mali yung dinaanan ko. Shit. Traffic dito eh. Wrong decision. Talk to you guys later. Hi guys! So, kagaling ko lang sa DHL and guess what? My customs! And it's 800 friggin' pesos. My gosh, ayan. I'm not gonna claim that. Sorry sa nagpadala, pero yeah. I can't claim it. Masyadong mahal. Although it was sent to me for review, I don't have to pay 800 pesos for me to receive it. Sobrang mahal. So, I'm leaving for Abriza. As in, I feel bad para sa nagpadala sa akin, nag-message sa akin to send it for review purposes. Tapos, hindi ko naman makiklaim kasi 800 pesos, that's a big amount of money. Hindi yung joke ha. Tapos, it's actually, I think, worth naman nung package yung 800 kasi actually parang feel ko medyo mahal yung tea, but I can't pay 800 for that. Sorry na lang. Now I'm heading to Abriza. Madalian lang kasi malapit na rin ako mag-times up. So na kayang biling ko doon? I'm planning to buy food. Dunkin' Donut. Parang nagsawa na ako. So I'm gonna get ice cream, Magnum for sure. Tapos ano Ano bang food doon nabili? We'll see, pero madalian lang doon. Gusto ko sanang tumingin doon sa Maybelline na buy to get one products. Pero I'm not really I don't intend to buy today kasi gusto ko sa Sunday na lang kasi baka kasi may sale sa SM na when you reach 1.5 may 10% discount. Kaya kasi minsan sa SM, sa beauty department. So, yeah. If may discount na gano'n, edi pa abutin ko 1.5. Kasi sayang din. I'm planning to get the Maybelline Satin Skin Foundation. Tapos yung Dream Matte Mousse. So, punta muna ka LBC. Then, beauty department real quick. Tapos, grocery na. See you guys later. Malapit na ako sa Breeze actually. OMG, smoke belching si Kuya. Tignan mo. Grabe. Report natin yan. Ayun, hindi na tuloy yung makadaan kasi may truck. Okay, go na. So, malapit na ako sa Breeza. Diyan na sa my left. OMG, umaambon! Shit! Mga galit mama ko kasi bagong car wash lang to. Oh my god. I'm dead. Papa-car wash ko na lang ulit. Kainis naman! I'm here, no? Wow, sinawala ni Kuya yung parking. Galing-galing. Ayan, nakikita niyo pala ako kahit konti. I filmed open box video from Sofiel Jewelry this afternoon, so I'm gonna edit it soon. Tapos, I also edited my get ready with me video to work. So, yeah. I-upload ko na sana kanina, but then, as usual, hindi naman nag-on yung laptop ko on me. Nasira na naman siya. Don't worry guys, I'm going to get a new laptop soon. I finally decided na I'm just gonna get a normal laptop, Windows laptop. Kasi yung gusto ko talaga is, gusto kong kumuha ng MacBook Pro. But, it's too expensive. And I don't really need it so much. Ay, paulit-ulit na lang ako dito. I'm wasting time. Alam niyo ba guys? I'm wasting time. Ayun, dito na lang ako magpa-park. Oh my gosh! Ang dami kong sinayang na oras. Dito sa parking. Oh my gosh. Tsaka, I know I've been talking lang. But yeah. Okay, I'm parked and we're going inside. So I'm now going inside. Ito sa Wakalator. This is my makeup of the day. On my lips I have the Essence lip liner in Cute Pink. Then I topped it off with a lip glaze, lip paint, something in Blushed. Nakuha ko na sa Palawan. Running out of time. Wala na akong oras magpunta sa makeup section. So sad. So dito na ako sa grocery. Magnum Mini. Saan bang Magnum Mini? Magnum Mini. OMG, don't tell me wala. Ice cream na lang, walang Magnum. Hindi ko na rin alaman ng ibang kukunin ko OMG na hulog. Quick melt na lang pala, I just remembered. Wala pa rin speculoos. Dito ako sa Master Siomai. Nag-take out ako na Siomai. All done, super bigat. Oh my gosh. Going home now. Going out na, I was actually filming before this and pagtingin ko, di pala naka-record. So yeah. It's past 4:30 na, so I have to go. Hindi pa naman ako tinext ni Mama pero I'm on a rush kasi syempre I have to get home before 5. Yeah, ang dami kong pinagbibili. Kettle corn, siomai, and bumili ako ng calamansi juice na gustuhan ko, binili nila Mama. It was 25 pesos lang yung lalagyan. Tapos, ang cute at ang sarap. Kung meron nanonood that has cars, meron kasi akong friend nag-post siya na may bago siyang air freshener. It's called Air Spencer. Tapos na-curious ako kasi ang ganda na nalagyan. So, yeah, meron doon sa Ace Hardware. So, I have yet to look for it. Baka ngayon Sunday. Yan, napagod ako doon. Ang dami kong binitbit. Hindi na ako nakapunta sa makeup. Oh my gosh. Sige lang, naisip ko naman na pupunta din ako doon by Sunday. And actually, I mentioned sa previous vlog ko na I'm on a no-buy. Pero na-convince ko yung sarili ko na bumili na lang. Kasi sayang din yung buy 2 get 1 na deal. Tapos gusto ko pa naman i-try yung Maybelline Satin Skin. Actually, not really interested. Pero na-mention kasi ni Say na maganda raw. So, biglang gusto ko na tuloy i-try. It's August 20. Oh my God! Kalimutan ko pumunta sa Starbucks! Oh my God! Yun yung nakalimutan. Shit! Of all things! Hay nako. Anyway, pila din naman yan. Baka ngayon pila. So, okay lang rin. Moving on. Dapat pala mag-watch out na ako sa mga speed guns. Kasi they're back. And actually, they weren't monitoring the speed limit for the past weeks pala kasi parang inayos ni Duterte na kasi may kotong cups. So, ngayon malaki na yung ID nila. Di na makukotong. Imposible nang mangkotong. Ewan lang. MG, the whole vlog ngayon na naman parang nagsasalita na ako. Sandali lang nakapag-vlog sa Abriza kahit paano. May ice cream pala ako nabili. So, yun. Baka matunaw. So, na-claim ko na yung Palawan Express, yung Cebuana Lavalier. The DHL, hindi ko na-claim kasi 800 ang bayad. I actually saw that Crysel Lumagi. Hi Crysel, if you're watching. She was also sent the same product and na-custom siya pero kinlaim niya. And si Joyce din kinlaim. Baka mas mababa yung customs tax pag sa Manila. So, I don't know. 800! My gosh! Ang laki nun ah. Hindi ko carry. Sorry na lang. I'll prepare na lang for work. It's almost 5 na. Yeah, yun lang. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I love my lippy today. Actually, I just used yung lip liner that I mentioned sa, yun medyo dark pa rin yung foundation. It's a different foundation I used today. Pero, I used the cute pink lip liner from Essence. Yung binili ni Papa for me sa Mega Mall. Yung nag-Manila siya for 1 day lang. Less than a day, 12 hours nga lang. Tapos, on top of it, trinay kong gamitin yung LA Girl Glazed lip paint. Kasi hindi kasi mahilig sa mga glossy type. So, nilagay ko lang siya sparingly. Very konti lang. Kaya, okay, maganda. Kasi kung marami siya, tulad nung nasa review ko, you know, parang high maintenance. I'm not really into high maintenance lip products masyado. So, yeah. Tawagan ko lang si Mama, let them know na malapit na ako para when I arrive, they can fly na. So, yeah. See you guys later! So, I talked to Mama and hindi pa pala sila makaalis ng bahay kasi wala pa si Papa. So, medyo useless yung pagmamadali ko. Which is so depressing. Pero, pakita ko na lang yung nakuha ko. I got this, itong Nature Real. It's a calamansi juice. 25 pesos lang isa. This is 375 ml. Tapos, wala lang, masarap siya na na-try ko. So, I wanted to get more. I got 4. 100 pesos lang. Tapos, yun, I got Master Siomai. And I got ice cream kasi gusto kong umemg yung init. I got ice cream kasi I wanted to get the Magnum Mini kasi yun yung favorite namin. Yung almond na Magnum Mini. It's like 200 pesos. 6 popsicles. Popsicle ba tawag dyan? 6 bars sa isang box. Pero wala. Kainis. Wala sa Abriza. So, I just got 2 cornetto at 4 na pinipig. Ano na pala dito? Medyo rough road. Sorry, medyo shaky. Yan. Medyo straight ang daan. Pero mamaya, rough road din naman. That's all. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Now home. Kainis na itong buhok ko. Mahati sa gitna. But, yeah. Ito yung nabili ko. Got quick melt, chocolate chips, siomai. Then, yan. Puno na ng drinks yung ref ko kasi I got C2. Tapos, I got yung Natural, anong tawag nito? Ayan, September pala expiration. Calamansi. Tapos, I also got the Quaker. My favorite. So, yan. Na-refill ko na ang ref. I had to get more, but I was on a rush. So, yun. Umalis na sila papa. Yun. And, yeah. Diba? Alas 5 na. I'll leave the house in a few. So, I'm just gonna watch. Panoorin ko yung Pitch Perfect kasi hindi ko natapos kanina kasi umuwi. When I was watching, dumating bigla si Anika from school. And this is her TV, so I had to stop watching. But I'm gonna watch now. I don't know ano na ako, ayan, Pitch Perfect. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako banda. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat siomai, watch Pitch Perfect, and get ready for work. So yeah. So I have 1 hour to go to watch this. I think I have time pa. Kasi medyo halfway na yung napanood ko. I think dito na. It was here na banda. I'm gonna watch first. Here I'm drinking the Natural Real fruit juice, calamansi with dried fruits. Yeah, Allegra Glory Foods Corporation.